Letto initiated years ago making beds for the hotels. Letto means bed in Italian. We are a manufacturing company capable to furnish all areas in hotels. We manufacture different contract furniture lines, including case goods, outdoor, and upholstery furniture. Traveling around the world has helped us inspire our furniture collections. The design, it starts with the concept, and we deliver solutions to those concepts to our designers and to our clients. You don't have to follow just one line. You have to be creative. You have to be innovative. That is the key to great interior design. I think it's important to first listen and understand the idea of what is needed in that space. Letto is an integration of industrial and interior design put together with quality contract manufacturing. Turnkey, design and manufacturing all under one roof. From a small refurbishment project to a new build and a complete FF&E package, Letto can offer you a comprehensive solution, including door-to-door delivery and installation on site for your hotel. We have equipped many hotels around the world with our furniture. Some to mention are Meliá resorts in the Caribbean, Sandals, Marriott, and Hilton hotels, among others. We have a broad experience with different range of projects, from a popular budget hotel to a 5-star property. We receive your specifications and carry them out, providing competitive pricing and quality manufacturing. We take your design ideas and make them real by creating your custom furniture that when someone sees it, everyone can recognize that it's you. Because there is something in its design that identifies your brand. Letto, we give form to your ideas.